Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna be introducing Bon Pretty's new gel nails. These gels were sent from Bon Pretty. Thank you so much. They are called Autumn Water Cap Magnetic Gel. The shades are perfect for autumn-winter vibes. Later in this video, I'm going to show you a set of nail art using one of the colors. Let's get started. So this is Autumn Water Light Cap Magnetic Gel number 1. The shade looks like this. It's got some metallic vibe in it. If I had to name this color, steel gray. This color is so cool. I want to make a cool set with this color. It's got such fine particles. I'm gonna play around with it. Okay, let's cure it now. I'm gonna paint again. Oh, now I can't see the design I made on the first coat. It's gone completely. Okay, I'm gonna play around with it again. Wow, look at that, very metallic look. I love this cool look. I'm going to cure it like this. I applied top coat as well. Wow, it's so cool, look at that. I would make a French manicure with black. Number 2. Wow, it's a nice autumn color. What would I name it? Or probably I don't have to name it. Well, metallic brown. Using a magnet wand here is useless, so I'm just gonna cure it. Second coat. Wow, it's so beautiful, it's so pretty. I cured it and applied top coat. It's such a nice chocolate color. Number 3. Oh, this one is brown as well. It's a deep dark brown, I'd say coffee brown. I'm gonna cure it. Second coat. It's such a nice color again. I could totally use it without using a magnet wand. Let me try coffee steam. I'm trying to make it like a curved line, like this. Oh, looks nice. Wow, this is the best design I ever had this year. Well, this year just started. I cured it and applied top coat, and looks like this. It's so nice. I don't think I've ever seen magnetic gel with this shade. I can even smell coffee aroma now. Joking. Number 4. Wait a second, this is so beautiful. Oh my god. This is just one coat and the color is so dark. Wow. I cured it and now applying the second coat. It's highly pigmented. Now I want to try something new. This. It's from 100 yen stores in Japan. The shop is called CanDo. Let's try it. I'm making sure the gel is not touching the magnet. Wow, it looks like ammonite. I'm stroking on it to reset it. The particles are not too sparkly or not too glittery. It's really chic. I love it. I cured it and top coated. It's beautiful. It looks so velvety. Number 5. Oh, I see. I can't like it more. I really love this series of gels. I cured it. Second coat. This one looks totally fine without any magnet wand's use. I think I like the color the best out of the 6 colors today. So I'm gonna make one set with this color later. All the gels from this series have like a watery effect in it. So pretty. I applied top coat. This one also is velvety. It also looks like a grape. Number 6. I wonder what kind of color it is. Wow, it's a nice surprise. This color will be great for summer nail as well, like a deep ocean blue. I cured it and I'm going to apply for the second time. I want to make a gradient nail with this. It's metallic, but it's also watery. What a mysterious shade it has. I finished with top coat. Wow, it's so pretty. I said pretty so many times in this video. It looks pretty on my finger as well. I love all the colors from this series. Now I'm gonna make art. I'm gonna apply number 5 to all of the nails. I paint it one time and cure it. Second coat. I want to make kind of like a French mani with this. I'm gonna flash cure it. Painting the ring finger for the second time. I'm gonna collect the particles in the center. I used all the magnets in my house. Flash cure. I did the same thing on the middle finger. I'm gonna do kind of like a French manicure on the index finger. It's kind of difficult for me to make a nice arch. Let's try. Okay, good. The little finger and index fingers art is done. I'm gonna finish them with top coat. I'm gonna stamp on the ring finger. Stamping plate from Temu. Bon Pretty's stamping polish. I recently bought it and I love it. I'm gonna glue rhinestones and bullion beads on the middle finger. I'm using a thick gel top coat. It's called Hardline Gel from CanDo. Flash cure. I glued one more set here. I'm gonna finish it with a top coat. I painted on the rhinestones as well. Now I'm working on the thumbnail. I'm gonna paint it on the whole nail and cure it. Second coat. I'm gonna design it with a magnet wound. I'm gonna cure it and I'm gonna apply matte top coat. I'm gonna cure it. Wow, it's so pretty. It's the velvet. I'm gonna clean it with ethanol. When it evaporates, I'm gonna rub it a little with a makeup sponge. This way, excess chrome powder will come off easily. Drawing a line with top coat. Flash cure. Another thin line like this. I'm rubbing chrome powder on it. I'm cleaning with washi tape. I just love this matte coat look, but I'm going to finish it with a glossy top coat. I'm putting a rhinestone and bullion bead. I'm finishing it with a top coat. All done. It's such a pretty set. I would look at my nails all the time with this set on my nails. It looks even better on my fingers. and the thumb. So, what was your favorite color? The product link is in the description. Please check them out. Thank you very much for staying with me. See you in the next video. Bye!